Hey everyone, whether you're a student, a content creator, a business owner, or just someone curious about AI, today's video is for you. We're diving into 12 powerful ways you can get the absolute best out of ChatGPT, and I'm not talking about basic stuff. These are practical, clever, and time-saving strategies that can seriously upgrade your workflow. So let's jump straight in. 1. Craft better prompts. The single biggest way to level up with ChatGPT? Upgrade how you ask questions. Instead of saying, "Help me write something," try, "Write a 200-word professional email inviting customers to our product launch on July 5th. Use a friendly but confident tone." The more you guide ChatGPT, the better the output. So add context, be specific, set the tone. Think of it as talking to a helpful assistant who thrives on direction. 2. Turn photos into text gold. Did you know you can snap a picture of your handwritten notes or a whiteboard and ask ChatGPT to summarize or clean it up? You can literally go from messy scribbles to polished reports. Students, professionals, teachers, this one's a time saver. Example: take a photo of class notes, get a bullet point study guide. Picture of a meeting board, get a structured action list. Get personal with custom instructions. Want ChatGPT to always write in your tone, or remember you prefer short answers? Head into the settings and fill out the custom instructions section. You can say things like, "Always explain things simply, like I'm new to the topic." Keep the tone casual, unless I ask for formal. It's like training the AI to match your vibe, every single time. Rename and search old chats. Raise your hand if you've ever had a great conversation with ChatGPT and then lost it forever. Here's the fix. Rename your chats as soon as you finish them. Then, when you need that brilliant marketing idea or code snippet, just type a keyword into the search bar. Boom, found in seconds. Try Specialized GPTs. ChatGPT isn't just one bot anymore. You can now explore custom GPTs. These are specialized bots trained for tasks like legal help, coding, study guides, and even video scripting. Open the Explore GPTs tab and see what's available. Why reinvent the wheel when a tailor-made version already exists? Use ChatGPT to keep track of key info. Have a recurring project or format you use often? Say, "Remember that I want summaries of my blog posts in SEO format." And ChatGPT will keep that in mind, so you don't have to repeat yourself every time, if memory is enabled in your settings. 7. Automate your workflow. Here's where things get spicy. You can connect ChatGPT with automation tools like Zapier or Make.com. That means get ChatGPT to generate daily tweets at 8 a.m. or summarize your calendar events every morning. Even create personalized email templates for each new client. It's like cloning a super efficient version of yourself. 8. Enhance product images. If you're into e-commerce or content creation, listen up. Upload product images and ask ChatGPT with vision tools to remove backgrounds, suggest better visuals, or generate captions. From bland photos to scroll-stopping visuals, done in minutes. Use the Canvas feature. Working on a long document, code file, or detailed plan? Don't stay stuck in chat mode. Open the canvas. It's like a digital whiteboard where you can drop, edit, and organize your thoughts or files easily. Ideal for content creators, developers, writers working on books or scripts. 10. Go mobile and stay productive. Don't underestimate the mobile app. Use it to take pictures of notes, ask ChatGPT to transcribe or format them, draft emails or summarize while on a walk. The AI magic is literally in your pocket, so make it count. Private chats equals focused chats. Want fewer distractions or more privacy? Open a private chat. Whether you're journaling your goals, outlining a sensitive idea, or planning a big move, keeping it off your main feed helps you stay focused and secure. 12. Choose the right model. Not all GPTs are built alike. GPT-4 is powerful and reliable, great for writing, reasoning, and problem-solving. GPT-4o is faster, multimodal, text, vision, audio, and perfect for real-time interaction. GPT 4.1, API only, takes it even further, with smarter performance and better coding abilities. Match the model to the mission. Don't bring a calculator to launch a rocket. There you have it. 12 powerful ways to turn ChatGPT from a casual tool into your personal productivity sidekick. Try one of these tips today and let me know in the comments how it went. If you learned something, drop a like. Share your favorite ChatGPT trick below. And don't forget to subscribe. There's more AI content coming your way soon.